that way it was in.
Yep.
Nice.
It's a little dark in here.
So wait, I'll see if I can put some light in here.
It's a little dark in here, but
Oh, I need him to get his
we're going to do a cold start of this beast.
Oh,
There
you know,
we
batteries
go.
works.
I know I gotta replace this gasket.
Yeah. Okay, well, we don't want to drain this too much. You're going to be doing a lot of cranking.
It's going to be doing some pumping.
Some pumpage. Okay, so here's your negative. This is your negative, right?
You sure?
This one should be your positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
Son of a bitch. It's hooked up.
It's good enough. I really need to get tied down.
Alright. You want me to get in and start it? I miss this engine.
You sure you know how to start one of these things?
Oh, I know how to start this engine. That's my fucking heart right there. It's in the wrong car right now.
Ah, it's just a little engine.
Man, it sure sits in there cozy.
Yeah.
Like that fan just fucking clears that rad in there.
Yep. Yes, it does.
And that's a big rad.
Do that.
Do something. Fucking get there.
Why don't you have any light? Like, what's with this?
I don't know why that one light stopped working.
It's taking you so long.
Yeah, it's 2 bolts.
Not even 2 bolts, it's
Not
2
even
nuts.
that. They're just tie downs, really.
Just making sure it's nice and tight.
Do something. Do something. How much gas you got in here?
I don't know.
None.
1/8 of a tank, maybe.
Yeah, it's been in there for how long?
Fucking oil.
Fuck, you got coolant on your tape.
He let it freeze.
Yeah, you should see how much hair came off my hair.
Yeah.
That's a lot of hair.
If you want, we can plug that light in the front. So there's more light.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Well, this one really isn't gonna do much because this is pretty dark.
Yeah,
Mine?
I wouldn't worry about it. You're gonna need every single fucking amp to fucking start this
fuck
thing.
no. This thing will start, no problem.
Yeah, with good gas.
It'll still start.
Oh, look, lights! Gotta record the infamous foot action.
I'm fucking setting my stereo first.
True Indian. Has to set his stereo. As long as the stereo works, who cares if the car runs? As long as the stereo works.
Watch his foot. Oh, battery's good. Oh. It lives! Yeah, it lives! Oh, right on. Must have got a bad exhaust one.
And it dies.